This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice.
Good morning, traders and investors, and welcome to the daily market update for Thursday, the 12th of July. We've seen the European markets mixed overnight, and the US recovered from downwards activity earlier on in the day. Taking a look at the FTSE 100, we can see that it's up 0.41 of a point, virtually unchanged at 5664. Looks, our current candlestick hasn't completely updated at this stage. It's actually down a little bit further. And that's really showing a little bit of consolidation after pulling back over the last few sessions. The German DAX was up 15 points, or 0.2%, closing at 6453, showing a bit more buyer momentum there into the last couple of days. So after we've had this retracement of the selling activity, we've now formed a higher low point, a continuation of the trend. There's an expectation this can rally back up to 6600 at this point in time. The CAC 40 has closed down 18 points, or 0.5% at 3157, and that's just consolidating at the bottom of that short-term retracement over the last week and a half. As we look at the US markets, the Dow Jones closed down 48 points, or 0.4% at 12,604. That's just some slowing seller momentum down into this movement here. Looks like we may be able to find some support around about that 12,450 level that is from this low back in later June. The S&P 500 index closed virtually unchanged. It was down 0.02%, not even registering in a percentage term at 1341. The Nasdaq index closed down 14 points, or 0.5%, so it continued a little bit of that selling pressure. It had picked up off its lows in the late afternoon following the FOMC minute release, and that lifted the markets in general. So the markets were down a reasonable amount, but recovered in the last hour and a half. The VIX index has closed down. It was down 77 cents, or 4.1%, closing at $17.95, and that has sent the VXX index down as well, just reversing the previous day's gains. The ASX 200 was virtually unchanged on Wednesday, up 2 points, closing at 4100. We can see that the most recent candle there has got a large shadow on the bottom, and that just shows that lack of selling conviction into the day. And we're not expecting any major movements on the open, with the SPY steady at a positive 2-point gain there. So there really isn't a great deal of influence heading into the opening bell. Well, that's our update for Thursday the 12th of July. We look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.